Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tools and gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional alike, the Amazon Basics 12-in-1 magnetic ratchet screwdriver. This isn't just any screwdriver, it's the best Amazon Basics has to offer. Let's take a closer look at why this tool is a game-changer for your toolkit. First off, versatility. With 12 different screwdriver bits conveniently stored in the handle, you'll have the right tool for any job. From Phillips to Torx to hex, this screwdriver has you covered. But what really sets this apart is its magnetic ratchet mechanism. Not only does it make tightening and loosening screws a breeze, but the magnetic tip ensures a secure hold, preventing frustrating slips and drops. And let's talk about durability. Made from chrome vanadium steel and heat-treated for hardness, this screwdriver is built to last. Plus, the corrosion-resistant finish adds an extra layer of strength, so you can tackle any project with confidence. Comfort is key, too. The non-slip handle provides a secure grip, even during long hours of use. And when you're done, simply store the screwdriver bits inside the handle for easy access next time. In summary, the Amazon Basics 12-in-1 magnetic ratchet screwdriver is a must-have addition to any toolkit. With its versatility, durability, and user-friendly design, it's no wonder why this is the best Amazon Basics ratcheting screwdriver on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tools and gadgets. Until next time, happy DIYing!